Cancer. It's a word that carries so much weight, so much fear. For most of us, it feels like an insurmountable challenge, a diagnosis that brings feelings of resignation and defeat. Now, curing cancer, that sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Something far off, a distant dream. But what if I told you that dream was becoming reality? What if I told you that we're not just fighting cancer, we're reprogramming our own bodies to defeat it? Hi, everyone. My name is Alaina Mupparthi, and last fall, I got an extraordinary glimpse into the future of cancer treatment. This is the story of CAR-T cancer immunotherapy, a revolutionary treatment that's not just fighting cancer, but redefining what's possible when we dare to dream big. So let's get into it. Cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide. It's not just a disease, it's thousands of diseases, each with their own tricks, hiding places, and defenses. Now, traditional treatments like surgery, chemotherapy, radiation have made strides, although they often come with devastating side effects. But what if we could teach the body to heal itself? Our immune systems are designed to protect us, with a key player being the T cell, a type of white blood cell that acts like a security guard, constantly patrolling the body for threats like bacteria and viruses. Now, normally, these T cells recognize intruders because they have a clear marker on their surface. But cancer is tricky. It doesn't always have a recognizable marker, allowing it to hide in plain sight. That's where CAR-T comes in. CAR-T stands for chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy. Now, I know it's a mouthful, but here's the essence. We take a patient's own immune cells, reprogram them in a lab using cutting-edge genetic engineering, essentially turning them into cancer-killing machines, and then reintroduce them back into the patient. Think of your immune cell like it has a bunch of different Velcro strips on it. Now, normally, your T cells recognize viruses and bacteria because these harmful invaders have a corresponding Velcro strip, allowing the two to stick together so that the immune cell can attack. But as I said earlier, cancer is tricky. It doesn't always have a corresponding Velcro patch, so the immune cells just pass it by. CAR-T therapy is like adding a brand new Velcro strip to our immune cells, one that is specifically designed to stick to cancer cells. So now, when the immune system encounters cancer, it recognizes it, latches on, and destroys it forever. So how does this CAR-T process work exactly? It starts with a patient blood draw. T cells, the body's natural defenders, are extracted from the blood and sent to a lab. There, scientists use what's called a viral vector, which is a harmless virus as a delivery system, to insert new genetic instructions into the cell. These instructions equip the T cell with a synthetic receptor, known as a chimeric antigen receptor, or CAR. Basically, a brand new Velcro strip is added to our immune cells, one that is specifically designed to stick to that patient's unique cancer. And the best part is, this is designed to last forever. One of the most remarkable aspects about CAR-T is that it is intended to be a one-time treatment. Unlike chemotherapy or radiation, which require repeated cycles, CAR-T is designed to persist in the body, providing long-term support and immune surveillance against cancer. Patients who've received a single dose of CAR T have experienced years, decades of remission. Another fascinating aspect about CAR T is its highly individualized nature. CAR T is not like a mass-produced drug that's manufactured in bulk and given to everyone in the same way. It's a form of personalized medicine, engineered to fight a patient's unique type of cancer. Every single dose of CAR T is unique, created from a single patient's immune cells, providing a more targeted and effective treatment approach. At its heart, CAR T is the product of innovation at the intersection of biology and technology. It's biology that teaches us how T cells operate, and technology that helps us reprogram them to be more effective. This is the future of medicine. Not a one-size-fits-all approach, but precision therapies tailored to meet the needs of every individual. Now, CAR T is already changing the lives of patients battling some of the most aggressive blood cancers. It's been approved to treat all acute B-cell lymphoblastic leukemia, various types of lymphomas, and multiple myeloma. These are cancers that often relapse after traditional treatments, but CAR T is providing hope where little was before. And this isn't just an experimental treatment that's working. It's an FDA-approved reality. Initially, CAR T was approved as a third or later line treatment, meaning that it was only given to patients who had tried and failed multiple other lines of therapy, like radiation and stem cell transplants. It was a last resort for those who had no other options. But something incredible happened. CAR T was so effective in these patients that researchers started asking, why wait until the last line of defense? Studies showed that when CAR T was given earlier as a second-line treatment, it led to even better outcomes. And as a result, the FDA expanded the approval of CAR T to allow more patients to receive it before exhausting all other options. The shift from third to second-line treatment is a testament to the transformative power of CAR T. It's no longer a treatment of last hope. It's becoming a more mainstream, life-saving option. Now, of course, with any powerful therapy, there can be challenges. Manufacturing T cells is complex, costly, and time-sensitive. But with any challenge comes an opportunity. And researchers are finding more ways to make manufacturing T cells faster, cheaper, and more effective for a broader range of cancers. CAR T is no longer just a treatment. It's a symbol of what's possible when we dare to innovate at the intersection. It shows us that the answers to some of our most profound questions often lie in collaboration between disciplines, between people, and between dreams. CAR T is a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon illuminating a path towards a future where a cancer diagnosis is not a death sentence, but a solvable challenge. It reminds us that the boundaries of what's possible are often self-imposed, because history has shown us that today's impossibilities often become tomorrow's breakthroughs. We've shown that we can reprogram life itself, not just to fight diseases, but to redefine our understanding of healing. So, as we stand on the cusp of this new era, let's dare to dream bigger. Let's not just ask, what if, but what next? What other seemingly insurmountable challenges can we tackle when we combine the power of science, the courage of innovation, and the unwavering belief in the strength of the human spirit? After all, The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. Thank you.